C. In 100 seconds, pass by reference. C passes everything by value. The function gets a copy, not the original. This swap function looks right, but it only swaps the copies. Temp holds A gets B gets temp. Classic swap logic, but it won't work. To modify the original, pass pointers instead. Int star A means A is a pointer to an int. Dereference with star to read and write the actual values. Now the swap reaches the caller's variables. X is 10, Y is 20. Call no underscore swap with copies. Nothing changes. Call swap with ampersand X and ampersand Y, passing the addresses. This time it actually works. No underscore swap did nothing. Still 10 and 20. Swap flipped them, 20 and 10. Pointers let functions reach outside themselves. Next up, malloc and free.